And there's Maddie. Dun 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 dun. Dun. Just gonna do her pyramid. And there's Zeus. Oh, cute! Yay! Yeah.
I want to do it again.
Do it again.
Okay.
Round 2. Try to ask him for the right lead off of it. Oh, it's okay. Ooh, nice and nice and square.
Huh?
Nice and square. Ask him to jump it. So like before you get up to it, use your leg. Like squeeze him up to it. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Oh no, Snickers. Dun 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 dun.
Okay. Before I did it, I like kicked to my ankle and he like popped.
We'll do it. That's what I was saying. One more time, because my phone, my camera's gonna stop soon. We'll like squeeze really hard right before it. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Oh. It's alright. Yeah, I'm gonna come say hi to you.
Did you get the jumping one though?
Yes.
Okay.
Snickers! Look at that. Hold on, Nick. Nick, stop running away.
I like the camera.
Oh, but you're so beautiful. Look at your face. And there's Maddie. There they go.
No.
There they go.
Pictures.
Okay. Bye, Maddie. Say bye.